Stop playing with a boss like that. I don't react well when you talk like that. Put the money on the phone, then call right back. I don't really want to do this small talk.
It's been a hell of a day. A hell of a day, man. I got this load from the drop this. Oh, man. Now I'm trying to be out here all fucking. That was easy, man. Easy. I'm about to do my drop and hook. Gonna drop this trailer, man. Put my jacket on. Safety jacket. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that was nice, man. But look, man, at the end of the day, hopefully I'll find something better. Something that pay good, a little bit more good. Because I need more money. They not really paying me a damn. But it's a start. I'm all in it for experience. That's all.